The most beloved days or times during the day for a person that is fasting is indeed at dawn, which is when he is taking his sahur, and of course at sunset, which is the time that he is breaking his fast. But it is not just about the intake of food. It is about something that has to do with spirituality and tranquility in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But these things can only be found during sahur. You see, brothers and sisters in Islam, the mistake that most of us do is we think that the sahur that we are supposed to take is a time that we have to ingest a lot of food in order not to feel hungry during the day. But that is the least of our worries, because if a person is to have a simple fasting day, it all depends on the sahur, or it all depends on the dawn. All the things that he does at dawn will actually replicate in the hours that is left for the day. Which is why it is very, very important for us to avoid taking in too much food or overeating during the sahur time and iftar. These two activities, when we stop them, are going to physically and mentally aid us to partake in worship activities like praying in Jama'ah and on time, doing the dhikr, reading the Quran, and all other acts of worships. But then when you take in too much food, you will negatively impact your own worship, because you'll be almost always tired in Salat al-Fajr. Once you are done with Salatul Fajr, you will feel so lazy that you will have to go to bed instead of reading the Quran till sunrise. And then when you get up from the morning sleep that you did after Fajr, you are going to be so much tired that you feel lazy for the rest of the day. And this will actually happen when you take in too much food during sahur. So now imagine when you overeat after iftar. The Taraweeh prayers will be a problem for you. You will miss Tahajjud because you've overate, and your day will continue to be in the negative point over and over and over again. And until when are you going to realize that the food that you are taking are the cause of all these issues? Once you understand that it is the cause of these kind of things that you are doing, then you are going to have a solution to that problem.